here at iTints Technologies, we cater to all type of window systems. So if you're a window company, you're a glass and door company, and you want to offer your clients a new privacy solution for their windows and doors, contact us today, apply to become an authorized reseller, and get ready to step into the future with iTints Technologies. All our technicians are properly certified through our iTints Academy. They have to go through a 13-step system of 5-day intensive training on the installation of smart film on different type of window systems, whether it's a swing door, a fixed window, a sliding door, horizontal slider, a casement, architectural. This is the purpose of our academy, the world's first and only proper training system for our future authorized resellers, our exclusive dealers, and our own certified technicians. During our project assessment, we identified, first and foremost, the windows and doors that are needing our iTints smart film. We assess what kind of window system it is, how we're gonna power our smart film, which is through our power supply transformer, which gets plugged into a standard receptacle right on the nearest window or door, which in this case is usually just a couple of feet away. We always find for the easiest solution if you already have your home fully built out. Now, if it's in construction phase or in build out stage, that's the perfect time to contact us so we can assess your electrical team, your low voltage team, and even your general contractor on where we need our wire drops and where the home run is gonna be, how is it gonna be controlled, whether it's gonna be with a simple remote control, wall switch, or even smart home automated and integrated as well. You have so many different type of window systems, and every window system has a different structure depending on the manufacturer. This is where we identify the actual, the frame system. And here, this is the first door that we experience that doesn't have a screw cover. We're always gonna find a solution on how to pre-wire every type of window system. And right now, me and Felix, our lead technician, are analyzing what's gonna be the best hardware to use, whether it's gonna be our contact switches or our indoor house and looping system. All right, guys, this is why we take so much pride in working on our clients' homes. The aesthetics, the design features is beautiful. And that's why it's very important to protect the area of work, whether it's with our booties, whether it's with floor paper or any protection, because a lot of projects, the clients are already living inside the home. And as you can see, look at the beautiful design in this home. There's a lot of ballerinas, a lot of clowns. It's a very traditional style of design, but nonetheless, the beauty is immaculate. We are en route. Should be arriving there in about 20-25 minutes. iTints Technologies, we authorized reseller program, allows our resellers to utilize our MI smart film solutions, which have certified technicians that go through our iTints Academy. And this is what ensures a professional and proper installation of our smart film because of the complexity and the integration that it requires. So trust the best and step into the future with iTints.
iTints for that glass, step into the future.